Meron na ba kayong napuntahan na places in Korea na gusto nyong balikan or you want anchors to visit aside from, you know, the usual spots, the usual routines?
Yeah, madami kasi for me, first time ko mag-Korea nung lumipat tayo. A lot of the members, I think si Marcus lang ata yung naka-work ka sa Korea.
Yeah. That was my second time, but yeah.
So marami kasi ang saya din kasi we even see idols work like on their normal days, di ba? And ako, favorite spot ko, if pupunta kayong Korea, you should go to Seongsu. Seongsu-dong.
Seongsu-dong.
Yeah, Seongsu is like a strip, like a street na maraming shopping, maraming cafes, magaganda. And it's more local based. Hindi marami pa yung tourists, pero it's slowly building up there. Kasi for sure, alam niyo yung Hongdae, alam niyo yung Myeongdong, but Seongsu is one na parang very insider, yeah.
Very insider,
yeah.
Very Korean hip
exactly.
location.
Yeah.
Ayan guys, take note, go to Seongsu-dong when you go to Korea. How about for Marcus? Meron ka bang very memorable spot in Korea or place?
Yeah, actually a lot kasi I like to gala when we have free time. And
Natatawa sila kasi you said I like to gala. Kayo naman guys, natingin niyo na si Marcus. Sige.
I like to walk around outside.
Ayan, nag-English tuloy.
Or hindi, mahilig ako gumala. Yeah.
Okay.
Mahilig ako gumala. Yeah, you know, training life aside, you know, because the training life is hard. Pero aside from that, we also got to experience the Korean lifestyle, and it's really nice kasi syempre a lot of us watch K-dramas, di ba? And it's like living in a K-drama.
Oh, yung sabi ni Racer.
Yeah, and that's why
ulit yung isa namin member.
Super exciting to just kahit normal lang yung ginagawa mo sa labas, it still feels special. Pero siguro, if you guys go to Korea, try nyo talaga yung 7-Eleven doon kasi sobrang iba-iba. Ibang-iba yung 7-Eleven.
Ibang-iba yung feeling.
Yes.
Yes.
Kasi you can cook there and then doon ako tumatambay minsan.
Okay, but isingit ko lang kasi you guys been living in Korea, right? So meron ba kayong natutunan na Korean phrase or Korean word na parang wow, ang ganda nito and gusto ko tong sabihin sa anchors? Meron ba?
Pag kailangan nyo ng resibo, 영수증 주세요.
영수증? 주세요. Ayan guys, kailangan nyo manghingi daw ng resibo sa
Oo, kasi di ba
Korea.
tax free kayo, di ba? So dapat 영수증 주세요 para malaki yung tax free nyo.
Yeah. Yun ang words of wisdom ni VGC Marcos.
Favorite kong sabihin talaga pag nagko-Korean is 솔직히 말하면.
솔직히 말하면, which means?
To be honest.
To be honest, so very honest type ka.
So, lagi ko siyang ginagamit every time na may kausap ako. 솔직히 말하면.
솔직히 말하면. Okay, so aside from